good already. So, my mum is self-isolating and I shouldn't be too close to her, but I've got my mask on today because she's going to make me, even though she's my mum, for Mother's Day, some flowers, paper flowers, because that's what she used to do in the 70s?
Yes.
Was it in the 70s? Okay, what are you doing, Mum?
Well, now I'm putting the glue on the wire
Yeah.
to put on this little bubble.
So, did you buy the bubbles like that?
No, I have to dye them. They were all different colour, and I have to dye them. I dyed in black.
So, what sort of glue? Like PVA glue?
Yes.
So, can you point with your stick? Where's the picture of what we're making?
They're there in black and white.
And where's the what sort of colour?
They're all different colour.
Oh, really?
They are pink, they are magenta,
Okay.
purple,
Okay,
red.
You can tell my mum doesn't do very many videos.
Red.
When you get a minute, Mum, can you show them the paper? I know you're sticking the
Aspetta
wire.
un momento.
Okay. Okay.
Now this paper, it's before look like this, it's only plain crepe paper.
What, white or
It could
what?
be white, it could be red, it could be purple, plain whites.
Yeah.
Then you line on the floor and you spray with water. Then you put another layer on till you have 8 colors, 8 papers, eight crepe papers. After you spray it, every 2 or 3 you spray it, then you go the day after and it's all wet and you roll it over like that.
Oh.
Like that in a big roll, not like this.
And it's wet?
It is wet. And then 2 days after, you go back and you get all, you get all these,
Wow, like marbled.
yeah, straight paper like that. Because it's been wet and the red color has gone to the pink has gone to the red. This is, the red is going to the purple and you get all the streaky.
Wow.
Like that. Now I'm making the fringe. I'm cutting
Right.
the fringe now.
On the giant oriental poppies.
Yes.
So how many have you got there? Like 3 pieces of crepe paper?
I got 2 at the moment and I have 3 on that one.
Oh, and you fold it again.
Yeah. Now I make the fringe.
So you're cutting on the fold?
Yes.
Okay.
I think I'm right.
Yeah, you are. I'm just looking at the instructions. Right, so then what are you doing?
I'm not ready yet.
Ah, you're not ready yet.
Right. Now, I open it up. But we can't use it, I've got the thing. And now we gather around like that.
So that would get gathered around the
Yeah,
wire?
that's the fringe. Yeah, you gather with your finger like that.
Yeah.
This, the big one. I can't do it.
Yeah, I know. We'll do it in the morning.
And then we'll go all round and round
Okay.
like that.
Can you hold it nearer to the camera?
Well, it's not right.
No, just so we can see.
There you are. There's your middle.
Nice. So the bit that my mum's just done is this bit here, where she folded over 3 pieces of the crepe paper and then folded it again, and then did these little
And then I
slits.
separated. What number is
And
it?
then you separated it and you did the bubble. So we're going to continue tomorrow because we realised we haven't got the wire. It's just like fuse wire
Yes.
to wind around it. So we're going to do that tomorrow morning. Okay, so we'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, okay, that's all
Okay.
right. In the morning. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So once you've put the pom-pom on and that fringe, you put it on with the wire.
The frill, yes.
So just hold up the wire to where your glue is. Right, so once you put the fringing around the pom-pom,
yes,
we do this
the
next stage. Has that wire reel got a label on it, Mum?
one is that.
Has it?
The one you used to stick on.
Right, so tell them, can you tell them, put it on top of that pot.
Right, what you want me to tell them?
So what did I used to do when I was how old?
Yeah, you were 8 or 9 years old.
Yeah.
You used to stick on the label and you used to be paid very well. You earned a lot of money.
I did.
You and your sister.
I know, I remember that. Right, okay, go. Hang on, your crepe paper is folded into 4?
Into 4, yes.
Ah.
Fold into 4. You don't want to know how to street it, would you?
Well, we told them that, I think, yesterday.
Do we? All right. Now it's dry.
Yeah.
We fold into 4. We cut it there. Like that. And cut a little bit here to make a round.
Oh.
Like that. Now we'll cut the other side and make sure that it's straight. Cut it there, because it's not overlapping.
So you end up with 4 pieces of crepe
And
paper.
I shape around the ear a little bit,
Okay.
like that. And I end up with 4 pieces
Okay.
to make the
Petals.
poppy, not petal,
Oh, okay.
to make the poppies.
Yeah.
Right, now I get the poppies and I got it very, very tight like that. It's still on?
Yeah.
Very tight. And that. I put it down. And I do the other one. Beautiful colour.
They are. So you squash and gather up in
Yeah, gathering
advance.
up, yes.
And you do it to each of the 4.
Each one of the 4, yes.
Right.
Right, now we'll touch the crepe paper on the fringe, one by one.
Right. So you're going to stay working in that area, Mum?
Yes.
Because otherwise I have to follow you.
That's it.
So how do you hold that in place?
Very easy. Now I get the wire,
Right.
put a piece in my hands. Like that.
Ooh, doesn't it hurt your fingers?
That's all right.
Okay.
And now I'll pull it.
Okay.
The next piece. Well,
It's here.
now I get the other piece, try and gather again, because it's coming undone.
Could you scrunch them up in advance and hold it with a peg?
No,
No. Okay.
but this is my way of doing it. Then, if for somebody wants to use the peg, they will use
Yeah.
the peg. That's the way I was shown to do.
Yes.
Well, attach it on there,
Right.
go round again.
So when you wind it around, you've got to make sure you...
It's very tight.
Yeah. Okay.
Next one.
Okay. So you scrunch it up.
Well, I gather it, not scrunch it.
Oh, yeah.
I will gather it.
Gather it.
Yes. Now go round once,
Yeah. Pull.
pull. Now we do the other one.
Okay. So this is the last one. This is
That's
number
my
4.
last one, yeah, 4.
Right.
Now the last one goes on.
Right.
This maybe won't be the brilliant one, but roll it up,
Yeah.
and now we break off.
You cut, surely.
No.
Mum, no, that will hurt. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. So that's what you've done. Obviously it's not finished.
No,
So now we do the stem.
we do the stem.
Right. So you put the glue around the base of the flower.
That's not the yeah,
Alright. Can you show us that?
near
Yeah, okay.
near the stem.
Yeah.
And now I will get the strip.
Of crepe.
Yeah, green crepe.
Okay. Oh, look.
Right, now I will put around.
And it's crepe paper because crepe paper stretches.
Yeah, stretches, yes. Right. And I go around again, but 2-3 times
Oh,
to make it look good.
right.
And now I will bend like that. And I will go around here,
Around the stem.
around the stem, yeah.
But do you have to make it go at an angle so that it...
No, I'm just going to pull around.
Right.
I folded the
Ah,
clip paper
okay.
halfway, will look nice.
Right.
Right. Now spin round.
Oh, that's good. Ooh.
Can you see it?
Yeah, yeah. So is that piece folded as it goes all the way down?
All the way down. I've got plenty
Wow.
there.
That'll take ages.
It's all right. Reason I fold it, make it stronger.
Yeah. Are you able to stop so we can just have a little look?
All right.
Don't move it
That's how
now.
far I got now.
Yeah. Lovely. Okay, so keep going then.
I carry on now.
Yeah.
Spinning the wire between my fingers.
So you're not adding any more glue as you go
No,
down?
no, till I get at the end.
All right, let's look at it when you get to the end then.
Now, nearly there. Right, now I put a bit of glue on. Put a bit glue on my hands, I suppose. Right, bit of glue. And now I bend it in like that. Fold it up.
So it's like you're covering up the sharp bottom.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Cut it off.
Go on then, do your stuff. Looks good already. So you have to be careful not to tear it.
Mm. Now I shake it out.
Ah, in the middle point. So you're not doing it at the end, you're doing in the middle.
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's great. Wow.
I'm not afraid to pull it.
Even though it's 50 years old. Wow, that looks so good.
Shaping it down now.
So you're trying to make it look wavy.
If I can.
Look at that.
Well,
That is so realistic.
got to be careful that will come
I
down
know,
because
I
it was
know.
bent.
Yes. My mum used to work for Priscilla Lobley from the 60s until like the late 70s, making these flower kits. I don't think they're available anymore. You can go and see the kits in the V&A in the resources library, although you can't because it's closed at the moment. But yeah, it's a bit emotional for me. It's Mother's Day today, and my mum is self-isolating. But it's made a beautiful poppy. If you want to see any more of the flowers that my mum can make, because she can also make, what are the roses that you make?
Roses, Iceland poppy,
Sunflowers.
sunflower,
Giant sunflowers.
African days in double crepe.
Wow. So, thank you very much for watching Stitchless TV. I haven't really wanted to upload recently because I felt like I was taking advantage of everyone having to be at home. But if you think I should do videos, or if you have particular videos you want me to do, just comment below. But stay safe and don't go out if you're over 70. Okay, thank you, bye.